Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as part of today's video, we'll discuss one more interview question, that is, how do we perform a read and write operation in Cypress? Okay, so to perform this operation, Cypress to have a two built-in command, that is read file and write file. Okay, so in short, in Cypress, we have three built-in commands, that is read file, write file, and fixture. But for this fixture, I've created a separate video. You can go through that. So as part of this video, we'll just understand how this read file and write file will work. Okay, so before going through the actual code, you have to understand in which automation scenario you can use these two commands. So the first one is whenever suppose you are executing the automation script and at last your one CSV file will get downloaded or Excel file will get downloaded, and that file contains of specific like two three columns and some data is there. You just want to verify that whether my columns and specific data are present or not. So that you can verify using this. First of all, you have to read that, and then you have to put your assertion. Similarly, whenever you some PDF file is getting downloaded, and you have to verify the PDF file content, that also you can do using this. Okay. Apart from that, you can also to generate the logs, and whenever a test case execution will give you some output, and you want to store those output in a specific file, and you want to verify that, then that also you can do in this Cypress commands. Okay. So let's go to the VS Code. We'll understand it in a better way. So first of all, we'll go through the read operation. So first, I will verify read the data from JSON file and validate it. Validate it. Okay. So how you can perform? So do we have any JSON file in our folder structure? Yeah. So see, there is a file, JSON file is present. Username is there, password and expected value is there. We'll just verify whether my username is admin or not by using the read operation. Okay. So as part of this video, like as part of this file, I have created a describe block and one it block, and I can use cy dot read file. After that, you have to give one file path, the where exactly your file stores, one dot Cypress, then fixtures, because if you see this file is present under the fixture folder. Okay, so I'll just copy the file name, the JSON file name. Okay, after that, I will use the callback function. Okay, I'll use the arrow function. Okay, so as part of like whenever we perform the seed file, I've given the whole path of the JSON file, and I've stored everything into a data file. And right now I can verify that expect. So this is explicit assertion I'm using. Expect data dot username dot to dot equal, that is also verifying whether the data dot username is equal to admin. So what is exactly the data is the admin. So I'm verifying data dot username is admin or not. Okay. Okay. So we'll just execute this. I'll use the spec file. Spec not found by it is showing read operation. Okay. So see. So this is expected admin, and is it also equal to admin? Okay. So if I will change that, suppose I'll go to the JSON file and I will write some ASD, something. I'll just change it, and you can see the test case will fail. If I'll execute again, I'll save this and I'll execute. See, the expected is ASD and but we are verifying that it's admin. Okay, so this is how you can verify from the JSON file. I will change it to admin. Okay, After that, there is one more read operation that also you can perform. This is reading from the JSON file, and after that, if you want to like verify from the TXT, simple TXT file, then I will just create one more TXT file. The TXT file is also there. Hello, good morning. Okay, so I want to verify this hello, good morning is present or not. Okay, so what I'll do the same operation, cy dot read file, the bracket, you have to give the complete path of the file, that is Cypress slash, this is also present in the fixtures file folder, then sample dot txt. Okay, so this is my txt file. Again, I will do the same thing. I'll use the callback function, then I will store uh, text file data. Okay, I'll use the arrow function. Okay, here I'll verify cy.log. What exactly I will do? Text file data. Okay, because whatever the data present inside the text file, everything I'm storing in this variable, that is text file data. Okay, so I'll just print this. I'll save this, and if you can see, it's printed as I've used this log. So hello, good morning. So whatever the data is present inside the text file, that got printed in the console. Okay, so after that we can also do one more operation, that reading the data or validating the data from the CSV file. Okay, so do we have the CSV file? Reports log text? No, we don't have any CSV file. Let me create one more. Okay, I think I've created one. Let me check another reports folder. We can, okay, under the fixture folder we can create one CSV file. I think I've created somewhere. Okay, no, it's not there. Okay, I'll just create one CSV file, and I will, yes, see, I've created. In this, employee ID is there. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 is there. Okay, so employee ID and name is there. Okay, so employee ID is 1 2 3 4 5 and name is Anuj. Okay, so I'll just verify whether this data, this employee ID is present, employee ID column is present or not in the download CSV. Okay, so I'll just save this. I'll just click save as. I will store this file in my folder, and under, okay, I'll store in the fixer file only, sample. Okay, sample.csv. Okay, save. Okay, so if you can see, under the fixture folder we have this sample CSV file. Where is that CSV file? Okay, PDF. No, this is not the sample CSV file I've created. It's PDF document. It's a source file. Okay, so is it stored or not? Let me check again. So I'll again save as the copy. I will store Cypress workspace TDD Cypress. Okay, I'll store over here only. Okay, so I'll check again. See, sample is already there. I think it was not visible previously. Okay, so let's go and verify whether my data is there or not. So for that, again, you have to do the same thing, cy dot read file, and here you have to give the path of the exact file, that is Cypress. I will just copy paste over here from Cypress dot fixture. dot CSV. Okay, and under that you can verify dot should. You can verify using dot contain, comma. You have to verify employee ID, right? So I'll go to the CSV file. I'll use this employee ID. Okay, employee ID is there. Okay, so if I'll save this file, you can see the result. See, employee ID is there inside the file, inside the CSV file. Okay, so if you want to check, I will verify with one more column which is not present in the file. Suppose fname. So one more address is there. So I want to verify that address is present or not. So if I'll see, verify that, see, these two are passing, but this failing, that expected. There is, you are searching for the address, but it is not present in the a specific CSV file. So this is how you can verify. This is how you can use this read file command to perform several automation, to perform like several scenario in our Cypress automation. Okay, so this video will go long, like it will be big video. So as part of this video, we'll only cover the read operation. In the continuation video, I will explain the write operation. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.